Get out of bed just after 3 o'clock in the morning, get to the market about 4:30. We couldn't do it without these leather hats. They are built up with several layers of leather and weigh up to 9 pounds. We carry anything from 1 stone to 300 weight in this manner.
My mind is like a clamorous marketplace, all day in wind, rain, sun. It's Babel Wells, voice answering to voice in tumult swells, chattering and laughing, pushing for a place. My thoughts haste on, gay, strange, poor, simple, base. This one buys dust, and that a bauble sells, but none to any scrutiny hints or tells the haunting secrets hidden in each sad face.
Now for London Bridge.